What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here at the CEDIA Tech Summit in Dallas, Texas, having a grand old time, and we are getting into Autonomics. This is a distributed audio product that is going to give you amplification as well as multi-room streaming, and it is in stock, guys. It is in stock and ready to go. We can get this put into your home right away. You guys know that we've been struggling with inventory issues with like Sonos and other manufacturers. Well, this manufacturer has done a really good job of keeping their supplies solid, and I can't wait to educate you guys on all of the cool features that they have built in here. Now, if you would like to purchase this product, make sure to reach out today and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation, and we have a free consultation service. My guys are on standby, waiting to talk with you, FaceTime, Zoom, and walk through your entire house and create a system design that fits your budget and needs. And whenever I say budget and needs, this package right here is on budget, and it will fit your needs. All right, guys, let's get into it right after the intro. Welcome back, guys. All right, so we're gonna get into Autonomics. I got Michael here who is gonna walk you through in a quick 2-minute spill on what makes this better than the competition.
Yeah, thanks, Zach, for that introduction. So, Autonomic has been in business since 2006, since the infancy of streaming home audio. We've been focusing on the custom installation market, the high-end market for the sophisticated homeowner. And we have a line of products here that will be really impressive to someone who's looking for good sound, an easy-to-use interface, and quality content. So these will pull from all your favorite streaming services. You can load it into our app, so you'll have one interface for all your favorite content. There's some really cool features you could do here. You can bounce between different services. If you like what you're listening to on Sirius XM, you could spin up a Pandora playlist. You could add it to your Spotify, and it's a really high-quality amplifier. We have a 4-zone and a 6-zone amplifier, lots of power, Class D amplification, and because we're able to put it all into one box, 4 zones in one component, we're able to get a lot of efficiencies. We have a very powerful power supply in there, and the system sounds great, and it's easy to use, easy to control, and I think if you're looking for a multi-room home audio system, this is going to fit the bill for what you're looking for.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on Autonomics. This is a really great product. They've been in business a long time. We've been kind of on trend with just sticking with the major manufacturers that are well known, like Sonos, Denon, Hios. Well, we've kind of been forced into inventory shortages and being able to recognize this quality manufacturer. This is geared towards custom integration, guys. This is a high-end product at a reasonable cost.
Yeah.
Cost per zone, we're about $500 per zone. Is that accurate?
Yeah, that's
right.
Right.
So affordable and high quality. That's what I want to hit on here today, guys. So any of my customers out there that are on back order with Sonos or Denon Hios products, this is the solution. And all of my customers that are looking for new products, they have everything. Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, all the major streamers that you're looking for available in independent zone control. Everything that you need. You got it for rack mountable or even into a more simple format, which we're going to get into in some of our later videos. We're going to kind of break this up into micro videos, so subscribe to the channel down below. We're going to get into the exact models and everything that you need to make this happen in your home. Well, if you like this video, guys, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia and Michael with Autonomics. Thank you for watching.